Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by setting clear, safety-first goals, what you want and why. Once done, confirm you meet legal age and local regulations. You should choose a certified, factory-made device rather than improvising. This reduces risk and preserves warranties. Make sure to prepare a clean, ventilated workspace and put on gloves and eye protection. The reason is simple. Liquids and batteries can cause burns or spills, so you limit hazards before proceeding. You now select a certified mod or pod system that includes built-in protections. Doing so prevents common failures. Once selected, use only manufacturer-recommended coils, e-liquids, and batteries. Matching MA and charge rate matters for safe operation. Then, inspect seals, O-rings, thread engagement, and battery wraps. Make sure attachments seat fully. If something looks damaged or misfit, stop and replace it, because small defects often cause leaks, shorts, or overheating. You finish by priming coils and setting moderate power. Allow liquids to saturate for 5 to 10 minutes before full use, because this prevents dry hits and burnt taste. Charge only with the manufacturer charger and avoid leaving batteries unattended or overnight. Monitor device temperature as you charge. If you notice leaks, reduced vapor, odd tastes, or hot batteries, stop immediately. Replace suspect parts and consult manufacturer support. A key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.